Your home's and industry plumbing system has a variety of valves found at various points along the water pipes that allow you to turn off the water during emergencies, or when you need to make repairs or upgrades. Shutting off the water is often the first step of many plumbing projects. Locating and turning off the appropriate water shut-off valve is therefore very important. In this video we will go to learn different type of water valves. If you like our video, so please subscribe our channel Learning Engineering. Ball valve. A ball valve is normally a rather large metal valve usually featuring a lever handle. It is designed for quick turn-off, since the valve opens and closes full with a short 1/4 turn of the lever handle. This is the type of valve often seen at the main water shutoff for the home and industry. Gate valve. A gate valve describes the mechanism by which the valve is opened and closed. To turn a gate valve on or off, a circular handle is turned to rise or lowers a metal gate inside the valve body. When the valve is off, the gate blocks the flow of water. Globe valve. From the outside, a globe valve resembles a ball valve, with a slightly bulbous metal body. However, unlike a ball valve, a globe valve is designed to allow variable adjustment of water flow. Inside the valve, there is a baffle with a water flow port running through it. The handle operates a plunger with some sort of washer or seal on the bottom. As the handle closes the valve, the plunger moves down against the water flow port and partially closes it off. Angled fixture shutoff valves. Individual fixtures all should have some form of individual shutoff valves that control water to only those fixtures. This allows water to be shut off for small repairs or replacements to the fixture itself without interrupting water flow to other areas. These fixture shutoff valves can take many appearances, but one that is very common is small silver-colored valve with an oval handle with ribbed edges for gripping. Straight fixture shutoff valves. A close relative of the angled fixture shutoff is a straight shutoff which operates exactly the same way, but is intended for use where the water flow can run straight to the fixture. It's very often used where a water pipe comes up out of the floor rather than out from the wall. Stop and waste valve. A stop and waste valve is a key irrigation fitting to help keep sprinkler lines free from freezing in the winter. The stop and waste valve is turned on and off with a meter key, and when it is in the off position it will automatically drain any water in the line. Check valves. The water moving through your plumbing should only travel one way, from the supply lines and out through a fixture, or from a drain to the sewer main. To assure a one-way flow in the event of a cross-connection, a check valve is necessary. Butterfly valves. Butterfly valves are not particularly beautiful. It's pretty disappointing, we know. In fact, they look a lot like any other valve. The butterfly moniker refers instead to the mechanism inside, essentially a disc that rotates by handle turns. This of course means that flow is reduced through the valve. More information about this water valve, so please visit our website www.learningengr.com. Diaphragm valve. A diaphragm valve is similar to a gate valve in that there is a wheel or knob that moves an element in the valve fitting, which limits the flow of water. In a diaphragm valve, the element is a diaphragm that settles down over a saddle, thus stopping water flow. Pressure balanced valve. Pressure balanced valves are used to maintain a constant temperature of water in domestic showers or bathtubs. A diaphragm within the valve allows the operator to set mixing of hot and cold water. However, in the event of a pressure drop of cold water, for instance, if a toilet nearby is flushed, the diaphragm will shift to limit an excessive flow of hot water. Many jurisdictions require pressure-balanced valves in domestic bathrooms and showers to prevent accidental scalding. Zone valve. Zone valves are used in hydronic heating and cooling systems to control the flow of water or steam. For instance, they may be provided in different rooms, different floors, or different dwelling units so that each space can have local control over the heating or cooling. In most applications, zone valves are electrically controlled and are connected to a thermostat so that automatic control is achieved. Locking valve. Almost any type of valve can be locked to avoid accidental or intentional opening or closing. However, valves with lever-type handles allow for more secure locking control. Locking valves provide aligning holes that a lock can be passed through to stop rotation of the handle. There are also locks designed to be attached to non-locking valves to prevent adjustment. Solenoid valve. Solenoid valves are electrically controlled valves that can offer precise on-off control via an automation system. Solenoid valves are used in buildings where an automation system controls the plumbing or HVAC system. Another common use is in irrigation systems where a computer controls the watering times or the amount of water to be applied. Thanks for watching this video. You have any question about this video, so please write the comment box. More update, please subscribe our channel Learning Engineering.